I'm filming this for the second time, and I have to give this detail is the Palau people over here. So in time there will be troubles from Chembu scammers. So you can use this. Uh, that the crime which you have committed by the tell of Chembur scammers is committed against me. I have forgiven you. I am not pressing any charges. I have forgiven you from all the defamation and everything. And what do you call it? The uh, the stuff. There might be some gigs planted or gigs done. So I don't want to spoil that either. You do what you got to do. Uh, but keep a file forensic because author's name will be there. Because in time, the one who is helping you with the stolen drives and the stolen papers, they are gonna come for you all their life. All their life, they are gonna come for you. So keep a file forensic with you because everyone must have done a file forensic by now and everyone must have got the author's name. So any lie will put you in jeopardy. I use this that I forgive you. You did this by the tell of Chembur scammers, and in time they are gonna come for you. They are gonna see. They basically those are the people, sextortion people. They hate beauty and they hate rich. They try to steal and snatch and destroy. So I hope nothing should happen to you. And what do you call it? So you could use this in time. And probably those are the same Handore people. The woman organization is of Handore. Those are the same Handore people. You are just getting tricked. You people are just getting tricked. And if you are not with them, then it's a good thing. It's a wonderful thing. I gave you the complete freedom to do whatever you want with the content. So that's it. And in return, I won't. I shouldn't be bothered. I am fed up now. Please, more than 2 years it is. I've been tracked from Goa till Pune till here. So I had enough. My parents also live here. Hmm. So I need that freedom wherever I go. Whatever I do in my life, I'm not to be bothered, not to be defamed. Just stop this defamation. And if any trouble comes towards you, still people want to trouble you, then wherever I go in time, I'll be back. Just save this thing. So it will help you in your entire life. Because those raccoons will not leave you until your beauty is gone, you're used somewhere, or they steal from you. The same way you're used somewhere, as in same way they are using you at this moment to scam me. So they will keep on asking you to do stuff for them. It's a trap, basically. I hope you understand. So the one who gave animated papers, stolen papers, and the stolen drives, you have it, and many people have those files, which are everyone are going to do the file forensics because the author's name is right there. And I forgive you people. So that's it. But in return, I shouldn't be bothered, I shouldn't be tracked, no one should come after me and stop this defamation thing. I bet you won't see me again until my parents call me or some trouble lands up here. So by the time I may need some peace. By that time, one more surgery has been lined up, and my personal thing is also going on, and I've been writing on this scam detail as well. I've been working on something which will take months, I guess more than 3 months. It's not even what do you call it, 1%, not even, I didn't even wrote 1%. That will take months. So keep this. I forgive you, and I Palau people, I forgive you, and I let you use the content whatever you want to do with it. Have fun.